Hello everyone, welcome back to Draw with Miss M channel. Today's video will be a bit different than the previous ones. Can you guess what the topic is? Here we have a donut, a birthday cake, a hamburger, a sandwich. Yeah, we will draw about bread today. So in this video, I still show you how to draw, but not just one bread. Guess what? 6! We will draw 6 kinds of bread today. Okay, let's spell bread with me. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Ready everyone? Let's draw. Let's start with our very first kind of bread today. First, draw a bread and 3 slices on it. Next, add in some round shapes for slices of ham. Then, some squares for a bit of cheese. Also, a layer of lettuce. Finally, draw another slice of bread behind all toppings. Great! We've done the famous bánh mì from Vietnam. B-A-N-H-M-I. Bánh mì! Alright, let's fill in this delicious bánh mì color to make it more delicious. Well done, everyone! Okay, it's time for our second kind of bread today. It's a cupcake. First, start with a cupcake holder. Easy peasy, right? Then, draw some cream on the top of the cupcake and finish it with 2 curves connecting the cream and the cupcake holder. Okay, give it a final touch with some sprinkles on the top. Great! How do we spell cupcake, guys? C-U-P-C-A-K-E. Cupcake. Okay, now it's your turn to be creative. Fill your cupcake with any colors that you like. And done! Now, let's draw another kind of bread that any of us wants to have on our birthday. It's a birthday cake. Okay, on the left, we will draw a whole birthday cake. Give it any number candle that you like on the top. And done. On the right, we will draw a piece of cake with a cherry on the top and a plate under it. Finish. birthday-cake, birthday cake. Great! Now it's time to make the cake beautiful and yummy with colors. And done! Good job, everyone! Alright, our next kind of bread today is a hamburger. Let's draw! We start with a bun on the top, then some lettuce. Next is a layer of meat, some slices of cheese, then another layer of meat, some more lettuce, finally a bun. Oh, and don't forget to give it some sesame on the top. Hamburger, hamburger. Can you spell it again? Good job! And now, you know what we will do? Yeah, we will color our tasty hamburger. The buns are brown, the lettuce is green, the cheese is yellow, and the meat can be dark brown. And finish! Okay, everyone, next we're gonna draw a super duper easy kind of bread. That is a donut. Okay, we start with half of a circle on the top, then the other half in the bottom, and done. So easy, right? You can also give it some cream and sprinkles to make it look more lovely and yummy. How do we spell donut? D-O-N-U-T. Donut. Okay, you know what time is it? It's color time. So these are a chocolate donut and a regular one with some strawberry cream on the top. They look really tasty. And finish! Okay, everyone, here comes our last drawing today. It's not way too easy, but I believe if you try to draw slowly and carefully, you will definitely have an awesome picture. Ready? First, draw a circle. Then, draw the crust outside the circle. Next, divide the pizza into small pieces like they always do at the store. Finally, give the pizza some delicious toppings like salamis, onions, cheese, olives, or any kind of toppings you like. Okay, spell the word one last time with me, shall we? P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. Well done. Now, slowly color your pizza with your crayons. And done! Well, thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you had a lot of fun. Remember what we have drawn today? A banh mi, a cupcake, a birthday cake, a donut, a hamburger, and a pizza. See you guys in my next videos. Bye!